If you're wondering whether ClickFunnels or ConvertKit is the best landing page software for your business, you're in the right place. Let's break down both platforms, their strengths, and their limitations so you can make a more informed decision. Stick around till the end because I'll share a recommendation that might surprise you. First, let's talk about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has made a name for itself by being an all-in-one sales funnel builder. It allows you to create landing pages, sales pages, and even full marketing funnels. Its main strength is the sheer number of features. You can create complete sales systems, manage email lists, and even integrate with tons of third-party apps. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to use, and if you're looking for a tool to automate most of your marketing, ClickFunnels might be a great option for you. But here's the thing, while it's packed with features, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. The pricing can also be a major drawback. ClickFunnels is on the more expensive side, especially if you're just starting out or if you don't need all the bells and whistles. Next, let's move on to ConvertKit. Originally designed as an email marketing tool, ConvertKit has shifted focus towards helping creators and small businesses build landing pages. The platform's interface is much simpler than ClickFunnels, which might be a benefit if you're just looking for a landing page builder without the complexity of a full funnel system. It's easy to use, integrates well with email marketing, and is priced much more reasonably for those on a budget. However, ConvertKit does have some limitations. While it excels in simplicity, it doesn't have the same level of customization and advanced features as ClickFunnels. You won't be able to build out complex sales funnels, and its landing page templates are fairly limited compared to ClickFunnels. So, if you're running a full-blown online business or need high-level funnel capabilities, ConvertKit may not be enough. Now, the third thing I want to point out is that both platforms have good integrations. ClickFunnels integrates with almost every tool under the sun, making it a great choice if you need to work with different systems. ConvertKit has integrations too, but it doesn't have the same depth of options as ClickFunnels, especially when it comes to e-commerce or more advanced marketing setups. The fourth thing we should talk about is customer support. With ClickFunnels, you get 24/7 support, but it's not always the best. Sometimes response times are slow, and because the platform is so complex, you might find yourself spending more time looking for solutions in the help docs than actually getting things done. On the other hand, ConvertKit has excellent customer service, and they're known for their user-friendly approach. You'll have a much smoother experience getting help with ConvertKit, especially if you're new to online marketing. Now, let's dive into the pricing. ClickFunnels, as I mentioned, is more expensive. It starts at around $147 per month for the basic plan. ConvertKit starts at just $9 per month, and even their higher tier plans are much cheaper than ClickFunnels. So if you're just looking for a landing page builder without the need for full funnel capabilities, ConvertKit might save you a lot of money. But here's where I want to give you some honest advice. Both ClickFunnels and ConvertKit are solid platforms, but they're not perfect for everyone. If you want a landing page tool that's simple to use, affordable, and also scales as your business grows, there's a better alternative that I've personally tried and found far more effective for my needs. I'm talking about ***, insert software name here, ***. It's easy to use, incredibly affordable, and has all the features you need without the complexity. If you're serious about landing pages and want the best deal, check out the link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and extra benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So to wrap it up, ClickFunnels and ConvertKit are both good options, but when it comes to landing page building specifically, I believe ***, insert software name here, ***, is a better alternative for most users. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and see for yourself. Just click the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial.